Okay, next place is called Pro Clean Auto Wash. Okay, I think I see it. I was told it has a Southern Pride system of some sort, but okay. Let's hope that this one doesn't cost 20 bucks. That would just be beyond me. Now it says Precision Auto Wash. Definitely need to get a Southern Pride checked off my list. It's a Pro Navigator. It looks like a really old one. Let's see. 14? Looks like it. Okay. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, the top is 14. I'm gonna do this one with my card. Alright, I'm gonna put my phone up here now. And they do have an unlimited wash thing as well. Oh yeah. They got pro signage over there. If I can, there it goes. And then wash menu, pause to read. So I might have to get out of the sun to get a better thumbnail. Once I do. So yeah, here are your options. And then sign up stuff and brochures.
Please add payment for your selection.
Another goofy voice. Not as goofy as that PDQ station.
Purchase the Ultimate Plus Wash. You may enter the wash when the drive forward sign is lit.
Alright. Okay. There's nobody here, so at least I won't have to look goofy or anything. Okay. Machine's still yapping at me. What kind of dryers do we have here? It's got a virtual treadle, you can see it right there. Wow, it's got old Premier dryers. I don't know if I've ever seen those before. There it goes. Okay, well, nice to know that there's one of these here. Yeah, it's definitely an older Navigator. It doesn't have a sign on it, but it does have the Pro Car Wash signage out there. Whoa, where's that fancy light coming from? Those are not my car lights, because those are off. It should hopefully be a faster wash than the merchandiser. And now we're getting our dry foam. Okay. Very nice coverage though. This watch seems to be more of a better value. Some of the nozzles aren't spinning properly. Why is the arm so crooked? That's weird. Okay, and we're already on our spot free. Yeah, Premier touchless drawing system. Oh, the light's right there. That's where it's coming from. Pretty good. Oh, there's still snow back here. Look, that wash still seemed pretty good. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of ice over here. And looks like we got 7 manual bays. So yeah, cool. Well, thank y'all for watching. See y'all next one, and that'll be it.